Hey everyone, Reya Donna here from Neural News Network. Today we're diving into the exciting world of advanced robotics with UBTECH's Walker S. This state-of-the-art humanoid robot is designed to revolutionize industrial applications. Standing at 1.7 meters tall, the Walker S boasts 41 servo joints with force feedback and a variety of sensors, including visual, audio, and distance sensors. These features enable it to perceive its environment in remarkable detail, creating 3D semantic maps and navigating complex spaces. The Walker S is equipped with force-compliant drive joints and rigid flexible coupling hybrid structures, which allow it to walk stably even on mobile production lines. It excels in tasks like inspection, assembly, and logistics, aiming to enhance manufacturing capabilities across industries. Recently, it started undergoing training at an electric vehicle factory, focusing on adaptive walking, autonomous operation, and task scheduling, marking a significant step towards integrating humanoid robots into production environments. This development highlights UBTECH's vision of bringing flexibility, unmanned operation, and intelligent manufacturing to industrial processes. The Walker S is set to play a pivotal role in transforming how we approach manufacturing, logistics, and beyond. Here is the video of the Walker S in action.